Just a little baby lean, baby lean. Yeah, just a little baby lean. Yeah. What it do, gang? It's your boy Luke. Back with another video. And we have got to do some stuff. We got to do some stuff to the doggone, to the K-1500. Just a few things. I ordered some stuff. And son gonna help me do it. Yeah. Son gonna help me do it. So I think my oil pressure sensor is bad, so I ordered one of them. And then we got, probably gonna piss some of y'all off, but it's all good. Y'all will be fine. Better to be pissed off than to be pissed on. You know what I'm saying? Woo, that was pretty good. I bought some 2-inch drop shackles for the back, cause we need a little lean, cause we in Carolina, man. And I know y'all ain't gonna like it, but you know, it'll be okay. It'll be okay. We got them 2-inch drop shackles. So we're gonna be dropping the ass in 2 inches. Let me see what we're working with. Yeah, that's gonna be real easy. That's gonna be real easy. Yes, it is. I gotta go take the Stetson hat off, though. I gotta go take the Stetson hat off. Then I'll be back. Bam. Back with the Eddie Spaghetti. Yeah. Anyway, we're getting ready to doggone put these drop shackles on there. So is. I'm about to put them drop shackles on there because I need a little more lean. If I don't like them, I'll put the stock ones back in, because I always keep all my stock parts. Always keep them. I always keep them. So that way, if I want to revert anything, I can. But 9 times out of 10, I don't. You know what I'm saying? So anyway, those of y'all that's new to the channel, say it with me, son. Those of y'all that's new to the channel,
make sure to hit that like, share, and subscribe.
Subscribe.
Just subscribe. Join the Loop Fizzle gang.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Hey, he coming round, y'all. He coming round.
I'm coming.
He coming, y'all. But anyway, let me set y'all up, and we're gonna go ahead and get started. Okay, so for those of y'all that don't know, we are undoing that right there. We're gonna undo that one, and we're gonna undo this one, and then we're gonna raise the axle up. Raise the axle up, but that's what we're replacing right there. That shackle right there. So yeah, let's go ahead and get to it. Okay, we got it linked, but we got this guy over here harassing me. Anyway, we got it linked, man. Just a little bit. We got him on there. I think it looks better like that. Yeah, it looks better like that. It ain't leaning too bad. She just tooted just a little bit, just a little toot. You know what I'm saying? That's all we needed. Y'all know what a little toot is. You know what a little toot is. That's what your girlfriend do under the covers when y'all sleep. Just a little toot.
No, it's not tooted.
It's not tooted?
The front end is lifted up.
He don't know what he's talking about.
It's got a tummy tuck.
He know what a toot is. She know what a toot is too. What's a toot?
A what?
What's a toot?
A fart.
That's what I'm talking about. She knew what it was. A toot. So we just tooted it a little bit. Just a little bit. Yeah. Anyway, man, what do you want done? Hey, don't be shy for the Fizzle gang.
Fix it this time.
What you mean fix it this time? I told you to sell the doggone thing as soon as you rolled it in the driveway. I said, sell this. Sell it. Hey, don't you hit my truck now. Don't you hit my doggone truck. Yeah, don't do it. That's right.
Was that dent already in the back door?
John sold me that. John sold me a leaky back window. He sold me a dent, a dented door, and a little rust hole right there. Let's zoom in on that rust hole right there.
Help that he thought I was giving him a good deal.
He sold me that. He did. But it's all good though. You know what I'm saying? Now I gotta fix this. And he talking about some fix it this time. I did fix it. I fixed it all the way last time. But you rough on stuff. You rough. I don't know why you be wanting to race people with a track hoe hooked to the back. Now tell me you don't. And tell me you don't. I know you do. Pulling off from the light. Go ahead and get your son. Don't he?
Yeah.
He do? I know he do. I know he be doing it. Hey man, what you got on the back of this thing?
Trash.
Oh.
Okay, good.
Hold up, man. You gonna leave this in my yard with trash on it? Come on, dude. You should have brought the empty truck.
I did. I figured if I left trash on it, you get tired of smelling it, so you get it done faster.
Dude, listen, I'm gonna tell you right now. If them cats go through it and that pet possum that I got,
Oh my god.
that possum,
You have a mess to clean up.
you're gonna have a mess to clean up. I'm not cleaning it up, am I?
Nope.
That's right. I'm not cleaning it up. It's not happening, bruh. That's okay though, cause you know what? You know what'll look good on my truck? Yeah.
What? Babe, don't forget the binder in there.
Get out.
I'm gonna steal that.
The binder.
I'm gonna steal that. Yeah. Tenna hee haw.
What?
Tenna hee haw. Anyway, this guy wants me to do a bunch of crap to this crap, so I'm gonna do the crap to the crap. And then we'll be back. Yeah.
Put that headlight back on.
Yeah, what did Luther do? What did Luther do?
Nothing.
Yeah, Luke Fizzle. New door handle. Yeah, Luke Fizzle. Yeah. New door pins. Hold on.
Dad.
Where them new door pins at? There they go, right there, bam. New door pins. Door was raggedy. You know what I'm saying? Door wouldn't doggone close, but guess what? Close is good now. It still ain't lined up though. I wish he'd sell this doggone thing. I love all OBSs except for this one. I do. I really, really do. What else you need Luke Fizzle to fix? Oh, the headlight? And what else? Huh? The headlight? That's it? No, it was something else that you wanted me to fix.
Antifreeze, but we don't know where it's leaking.
Antifreeze, but don't know where it's leaking. Well, it for sure didn't leak here. He got scared when he got here. He got said, "Oh, Luke Fizzle, I don't want to leak for him." Yeah. So got the door pins done. I'm all dirty from crawling around, and John's. Believe it or not, this is not from the ground. This is not from the ground. Guess what this is from? That door. Look at that. I swear, it's more dirt on this door than it is on the ground. Yes. Yes, it is.
This bunch is peanuts. Peanuts! Hi.
Hold on. What is that?
Ducky peanuts.
What did it say? It said hot nuts. Huh. Huh. Yeah. Yeah. I have those on a hot summer day. Flathead screwdriver. It's right here. What?
Here.
Negative. I don't want that. I don't want that.
I want to get on it.
That boy tried to feed me after digging in butt and eating boogers. No. Here you go. You're doing a good job, John. I swear. You're doing real good. Come on, do you want this? Glorified. I'm a glorified tool getter. Well, give me my tools then, man. You know what I'm saying? Anyway, hit that like, share, comment, subscribe for your boy. Yeah. Join Luke Fizzle. The OBS master. Actually, nah. I can't claim that yet. I can't claim that yet. You know what I'm saying? But I do love my OBSs, as you guys can tell. My son been driving that. And he got mud on it. I don't appreciate it. I don't appreciate the muddiness. It's all good though. We got this thing here. We got this thing here linked just a little bit. Just a little bit. Got that thing linked. Yeah, boy. I got that thing linked just a little bit. That's all we need. That's all we needed was just a little bit. I'm gonna get it. Yeah, she linked just a little bit. Just a little bit. Just enough to not be level. But Jesus, what is this? What is this right here? Oh my God, what is going on? What is going on? Hey, we ain't got no insurance. We ain't got no insurance. That boy fall. Yes. I know. I told him we ain't got no insurance. We ain't got no insurance, and he piggybacking this boy. Look.
Turn the headlights off.
Oh Lord Jesus, Lord. Oh, he jumped off. He jumped off. Dangerous, man. Dangerous, man. What's wrong with these kids? Dangerous. Man, this tailgate is beat to smithereens.
Look, he's got one on his neck and one on the front.
He got one on his neck and one on the front?
Yeah. That's why I told you to look at your son.
Oh my God.
Hanging on his neck.
Oh my God.
See?
Y'all dangerous. Oh, y'all real dangerous. Y'all dangerous. Oh my God. What? I'll go get you some water. Young Kimosabi. Well, whose kid are you? Get your doggone hands off me. Get your doggone hands off me. Look at this guy. Look at that head. Look at that head. All right. It's day number 2. And we still got this doggone junk pile over here. Still got the junk pile. As y'all can see, it rained a little bit today. Yeah, it rained. But I'm doing a pad slap on this right here. And we're finna change out this doggone door. This door handle right here. Yeah. That way I can get this thing. Because this thing stink. It rained in it. And this must smell like trash. Smell like booty cheeks. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? If the wind start blowing that way, then I'm gonna be smelling it. I don't want to smell it. Gotta come get it. Gotta come get this thing, man. Gotta come get it. But I'm gonna go ahead and do this pad slap. It ain't gonna take me about 15 minutes to do this pad slap. I already got my tools in my hand right there. Yeah. Yep. So I'm just letting y'all know what I'm doing for the day. Yeah. And I'll be back whenever I get done. Well, that big raggedy motor scooter, it ain't done. He needs some doggone rotors. Yeah, he needs some doggone rotors. Because the driver's side rotor's cracked. I went on and put the doggone pads on there, and the rotor should be coming tomorrow. So all I got to do is pull that raggedy motor scooter back over here, because that mug raggedy. That mug made my doggone yard look raggedy. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, look at that lean. Boy, she looks super sexy. I need to put that door on that I got. Just got a baby lean. Just a little baby lean. Yeah, just a little baby lean. I could raise the front up some more, but I don't want a rougher ride than what I have. So it's going to stay where it's at. Show is. But anyway, those of y'all just tuned into the channel, man, do me a favor. And
y'all hit that like, share, and make sure to subscribe.
yeah. Y'all heard. Y'all heard.
The Fizzle Gang.
Yeah, the Fizzle Gang. Yeah. But anyway, With that being said, oh God, I almost dropped something. We out, gang. Peace.